doing a surprise thrift haul or thrift haul surprise. I don't know which one I'm calling it quite yet, but that's besides the point. I'm doing a thrift haul plus a surprise. If you guys follow me on Twitter, you already know this. I went out thrifting randomly. I don't even know what day it was, but I hit the freaking jackpot. And this never happens to me. So if this happens to you all the time, you're probably like, oh yeah, whatever, you got some cool stuff. Right? No, this never happens to me. I maybe find 1 or 2 things and that's it. And it's like 1 or 2 things a year. But anyways, as I was out thrifting, I kept finding all of these mid to late 90s, early 2000s pieces that I was like, what? I mean, if you see those kind of things, they're always the things that you didn't want to see. Also, my entire high school prom was there. Regardless, I got some of that stuff. And as I was trying on some of the stuff, you know, you find pieces that maybe don't fit and you're super bummed out because you're like, oh, this is like the perfect plaid skirt from the Limited from the 90s and it's literally not fitting, and I'm crying because I don't sew. Taking it to get altered, I'll just never do it. So that's when I had a light bulb moment, and that's where we have a plot twist going on, because this isn't a haul for me. No, this is a haul for you. You guys are gonna have a chance to buy all of these pieces you're gonna see in the haul, like all of these amazing mid to late 90s, early 2000s pieces, because I'm going to be posting them on my Poshmark closet. Well, right after I film this, but it'll already be up by the time this video is up. And if you guys have been following my videos lately, I've been collabing and Poshmark has been sponsoring some videos on this channel. I've been doing some spring cleaning out my closet, doing stuff like that. And if you guys have watched those videos, you already know about Poshmark, but if you just came across this video on my channel for the first time, what's up? But more importantly, I will tell you about Poshmark so you know where to find these items. So Poshmark is a free app that you can download for free. Wait, I already said that. I always do this. Okay, anyways, it's an app you can download for free, and I will have a link to that app down in my description box so you guys can easily just click on it and download it and all that good stuff. You're gonna go up where there's like a person, like an outline of a person, and then a plus sign in the upper left-hand corner once you get into the app. But anyways, that's how you search for closets. You're gonna type in my handle, which is jadethelibra, and that's how you will find all of these items I'm gonna mention. They will all be listed. Anyways, if you've never used Poshmark before, you can also start your own closet, sell items from your closet. Or if you go thrifting often and you want to start your own kind of little shop on there, you can totally do that. You can also search for other people's closets, which on all of the kind of Poshmark videos, I always have you guys leave your closets down in the comment section so we can support each other and shop each other's closets. So if you want to do that, if you haven't already on the other videos or you want to do it again, you can leave your closets down in the comment section. You can also search for brands. So for example, in this video, you're gonna see some Adidas, you're gonna see some Limited and Gap. I also have sold Killstar on there. You can find Nike. You can also find high-end brands. So if you're looking for a vintage Gucci belt or Chanel or Louis Vuitton, you can find all of that on there as well. So it's kind of a little bit of everything. And a lot of, if you guys like band tees, they also have vintage band tees on there, which I was recently searching for. So that's why I said that. I'm really excited about this. I don't know. Let's just get into it. Let's do it. The first thing that I got was this amazing denim jacket, which whatever lighting this is not doing it any justice. It looks more acid washed in person. It does have like kind of specks of this kind of light denim throughout, and then it's a little bit more faded in the center. What I really like about this is it also has a zip up the center. So a lot of denim jackets have buttons instead of zippers. So I thought this was super unique, and it's in a size large. So this can go several different ways. If you want something more fitted, this could totally be a fitted jacket. If you want something oversized, like on me, this is a little bit more of an oversized denim, which it is the perfect oversized denim jacket. And that's why I'm having such a hard time with this one. I'll do a try on with this piece. Some of these items don't fit me, so it's gonna be hard to try them on, but this one I'll try on for you guys so you guys can see, because this jacket is just so cool and unique, and if it doesn't sell, I'm straight up keeping it, and I'm not even mad about it. Okay, so the next top, it's kind of, I tried to button it back up, it was unbuttoned, but then I realized I'm gonna have to try it on, so it looks vintage, it feels vintage, but it could also be new, and I just don't know it. I don't really know what the brand is. It is this paisley and polka dots patterned blouse. Already comes with a tie situation in the front, so you can tie it around the collar of the blouse. I love this actually for spring because it's really lightweight and it's more of a cream color. I like doing kind of like a nerdy chic thing with these kind of tops, like some high-waisted denim, some glasses, hat, whatever. And yeah, I feel like this is just one of those tops that's amazing. I love it. So the next thing I got is this straight from the 90s plaid miniskirt. It is giving me the most Clueless vibes, mostly because I just watched Clueless this morning. It was on TV. And oh my gosh, I love this skirt. It is a size 6. It still has the original tags intact, little limited tag, and it was originally $39. This is the perfect skirt. I will try it on for you guys. It's not gonna look quite right on me. I already say they don't make them like they used to because they literally do not make them like they used to. This is like, this is such an amazing piece, and I never find anything thrifting. So, all right, so the next thing I picked up was this camo, this gray camo t-shirt. I just like need to get out of here with this. It's originally from Old Navy. It's a size large, and it's a very thin, very soft material. Seriously, so soft. Unbelievably soft. And it has more of a longer, kind of slimmer fit for a large, in my opinion. This definitely kind of fits like a vintage t-shirt, just very relaxed and very soft. So love this, love that. Oh, so good. Anyways, next item. Like, I can't believe this happened. Like, I can't believe this was at a thrift store. I don't know why I have to like introduce. It's like wrestling. Like I have to introduce it like size 4 from the Gap in the 90s is this spaghetti strap dress. No, okay. Anyways, it's getting really weird in here, which, big surprise. Anyways, next thing as I kind of introduced it, this denim spaghetti strap dress from the Gap. And I feel like I don't need to say anything else. That's just, it's a denim spaghetti strap dress from the Gap. This has definitely got that 90s vibe. It zips up the back, all the way up the back. What am I doing? It zips up the back, and it also has this little line underneath the boobage area, which is totally a 90s, early 2000s thing. Like, I feel like they don't do a whole lot of this anymore where they like cut off mid-boob. This gives you a little bit of room for boobage. But back then, it was almost like they would give you these shirts, like especially like Abercrombie was really bad about this. They would like crop the middle of the boob, at least for me. It'd be like the middle of the boob is like cropped off with this line. Anyways, it was hilarious, but that's besides the point. We don't have any of those things, unfortunately, in this haul. But anyways, this denim dress is a longer dress and it has a slit up the back. And what I will say is the slit area right at the kind of, what do you call this? Like the point of the slit, there is a little bit of fraying going on, like a little bit of a hole happening right here. But the reason I still picked it up is because you really cannot notice it at all. But I just want to be transparent, so if you purchase it, you're not like, what is this? Anyways, love this dress. I think this is, oh, by the way, it's a size 4. I don't know if I mentioned that. It's 100% cotton. Love this dress. So the next thing I got, once again, I cannot believe I found, they are these Adidas track pants. They are in this kind of navy-ish, it's not pure navy, but it's not bright blue. It's kind of a really interesting color, but also has these neon yellow stripes down the side and the neon yellow in the front on the Adidas sign thing. They are a size medium. So on me, I have about a 25-ish inch waist. I can tighten the little, there's a string in the front and I can tighten it and it will totally fit my waist area, but also if I wanted to pull these down and wear them on the hips, they also fit. I'll have the exact measurements of the waist actually on Poshmark in the description because I'll measure it exactly, but it also has stretch so it can fit all different sizes. I also like that the bottom has the zipper so you can have more of a track pant, like a true track pant look, or if you want to wear platforms or whatever with it, you can unzip them and it will go over your bulky shoes as well. But if you're going for like, you know, right now with the track pant look is so hot and like with a sports bra or a crop top or a bodysuit, these are perfect. Seriously amazing. There is a little bit of a hole in the lining. It looks like this. It is literally not that big of a deal and it's not at the bottom. it's like pretty well inside of there. So just to let you guys know, because my toe kind of snagged on it when I was putting these on and trying them on. All right, so the last item is such a gem, and seriously, whoever gets these, I'm already so jealous of you because they're so amazing. These are vintage black washed denim. They're Lee denim. And they are everything that you think of when you think of vintage denim. They're a size 12 petite. I went ahead and measured the waist, and the waist is a size 28, and I will actually measure the hips and the thigh area for you guys as well. So I know what you guys are gonna say. You're gonna be like, a 28 is not a size 12, girl, and I didn't make the jeans, so don't get mad at me. But what I will say is, if you are an hourglass shape or a pear shape where your waist is small and you have some booty and some hips and some thighs on you, this is going to fit you beautifully, amazing, fantastic. I don't know all of the words. These are gonna fit amazing on you, I think is what I'm trying to say. Anyways, I think that is it for, I almost said my thrift haul, but this is your surprise thrift haul. I hope you guys liked everything I picked out for you. If you did, you can go over on Poshmark and don't forget to search my closet on there. My handle is jadethelibra. You can find everything I just mentioned. If you did like this video and you wanna see more of these types of videos and you want me to keep thrifting for you guys, give this video a thumbs up. You can also just say, hey girl, hey, down in the comments box, because you know I love talking to you. Oh, by the way, if you have finals this week, good luck, or next week, or whatever, good luck. Sending the most coffee vibes your way and brain power. So yeah, so good luck on your finals if you're taking them. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.